the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of tech trades. First is going to be Tesla, and the second is going to be Meta. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, first on the docket here we have Tesla. Now this is one of my favorite auto trades. It's kind of an indecision candle there today, but I just want to point out a couple of just key support and resistance levels here. Okay, so what we want to look here on the upside is you want to look to the bottom of this candle here. Okay, this one here is sitting at 277.60. The top of today's candle is 279.97. And then we go to this candle here, you're looking at 283.85, and then your breakout here is 284.25. Now, on the downside, you can see, if you look at this candle right here, okay, the low of that is 272.88. That is your gap. And then look at the top of this candle here. This is sitting at 264.45. That is your fill, okay? So there's your gap, and there's your fill if it sells off. Then you want to watch this 8 SMA. This is very, very key here. 263.42, and then if that's lost, then we come down here to this 255.68. Okay, now if it can go higher and close above this 284.25, then we look over here to this weekly chart here. Okay, so you want to look at this candle right here. Okay, so this one here is sitting at 289. Okay, flat. That's going to be a target, and then we have this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 313.80. Okay, so bottom line here, you have an inverse head and shoulders pattern. There's your left shoulder, there's your head, and there's your right shoulder, okay? So when you flip that over, actually your target is about $333, okay? So if you can make it up to this level here, then we just keep following up to all these candles right here. So you got 336 here, you got 364.07, we have 384.29, we come up here, you have 402.67, and then your big retest here at 414.50. Now, it's not going to do it obviously today or tomorrow or whenever, but I just think this is a good one here for a long-term play. But I want to show you one thing right here that you have to look at. Look at this RSI. See how it ran right on up here? And now where it is, you ran up here and then you made a higher high, but you made a lower high on your RSI. See, you have a negative divergence here, okay? That's not bullish. That's not good, okay? So only way to negate that is you have to close back above this 284.25, and then she could rip higher. But when you get that negative divergence, that this looks like it's going to be sell off. So always watch this gap right here. Watch this key 8 and watch the 21. All right, let's take a look here now at Meta. All right, here we have Meta, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, you can see just a beautiful run all the way on up here, and you've been holding all the key 8 and SMAs here in the 21. So what you want to do here on the downside is watch this key 8 SMA. You're sitting at 286.65, and then watch your key 21 day sitting at 279.79, and then you got your 50 SMA here sitting at 258.84. Now, you got the same kind of a negative divergence here on this RSI. See, I put in a high, and then as this is getting higher, these are getting lower. That's a negative divergence here. So always just keep your eye on what's going on here. So when you look at here, okay, today's high, you have 208.12. So if you come over here to the bottom of this candle right here, okay, you're sitting at 299.50. Okay, so you really have a nice good target sitting just a little bit higher than what you got going on there now, okay? So then if it can get up, then we always look to this price channel right here, which is this candle here. So then you're looking at 328, and then you just keep following these candles all the way on up here, okay? So you're looking at 350, 271, all the way on up here until you can get the retest here at 384.33. This really needs to pull down because you're really overbought, and I don't like this negative divergence here on your RSI. So now, again, what you want to do is these stocks here on any kind of a pullback, these are a buying opportunity. Your Meta, your Microsoft, your Amazon, your Tesla, okay, Nvidia, these are all good buying opportunities. And you can trade a good sweet basket of that is with TQQQ, okay? So these are going to, in the end of the year here, I think are going to run up huge, and you probably will definitely hit these these targets. Now, Meta came out with a new app there called Threads. They had 10 million signups there within hours, okay? So they're going to give Twitter a run for its money here. And then old Zuck, he looks like he's pretty serious about this here. So any kind of pullback, these are buying opportunities, but always watch the 8 SMA here and your 21 SMA and your 50 SMA here. Those are buying opportunities here. All right. Thanks for watching.